In 1984, struggling comic book artists Kevin Eastman and Peter Laird were living in Northampton, Massachusetts, when as a joke, Eastman drew a turtle standing on its hind legs, wearing a mask with nunchucks strapped to its arms. Eastman wrote Ninja Turtles on the top of the page. Laird laughed and then drew a more refined version of the turtle. Not to be outdone, Eastman drew 4 turtles, each armed with ninja-style weapons. Laird outlined the group shot in ink and added Teenage Mutant to the Ninja Turtles title. As Eastman and Laird began fleshing out their turtles to create a comic book, they had to give the turtles names. At first they tried Japanese names, but it just wasn't working, so they tried great Renaissance artists instead. Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo. Then Eastman used his $500 tax return, and Laird emptied his bank account of $200 before borrowing another $1,300 from Eastman's uncle to print 3,000 copies of their first comic book, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Within a few weeks, all 3,000 copies sold. With more orders coming in, they printed another 6,000 copies and easily sold through those too. By May, they made enough money to pay back Eastman's uncle and split roughly $200 profit. Although the comic was meant to be a one-shot, a single-issue self-contained story, they realized that they might be onto something. So in January 1985, they completed issue number 2 and quickly received orders for 15,000 copies of that one, which was so successful that distributors demanded 30,000 reprints of the first, and even more of a second print for number 2. Number 3 fetched orders totaling 50,000 copies, and sales continued to climb. And, as they say, the rest is history. What was meant to be a one-shot comic skyrocketed in popularity, leading to the development of a full-fledged series of 62 comic issues that expanded into various media, including animated TV shows, movies, video games, and action figures. Cowabunga. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw Leonardo from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie, as well as hundreds of other drawing lessons.